welcome to another vlog. So today I'm just gonna be, shopping around. I'm also going to my esthetician. I need to get a facial. I also need to get a peel, and I want to try the microdermabrasion. Is that it? Microdermabrasion? Yeah, if that's it. But I don't think I'm gonna be able to do all three today, or even two, as a matter of fact. I think I might gonna have to start with just getting a facial, and then 2 weeks after the facial, then I might go get a peel, and then whatever else follows. But I'm absolutely sure they won't be able to do all three today. But I haven't done anything to my face in a while. The regular home remedies, putting on a mask, doing my steaming and all that. But I need something deeper than that, and that is why I'm going to be visiting them today. So I'm alone. I'm wearing Jabari's hat. I know he's going to be complaining, "Mom, why did you wear my hat?" But Jabari's not here. He's in Florida with his dad. I miss him so much. Oh my God. I miss him so much. That's my G, that's my little party. There's no me without him. There's no him without me. So I've been having some rough days, It's a little bit quieter around the house, but I miss him dearly. I miss him so much. But anyways, enough rambling. I'm running a thrift shop because I'm trying to find something. I'm trying to find a basket that I want to store some magazine in for my bathroom. So I'm going to the thrift shop to see if I find that, and then I might head to Ross, Marshall's, and then to the spa. So come along, it should be a fun day. The weather is lovely. It's not too hot today. I think it's about 77 outside, so not that bad. We're winding down 2 more weeks until the end of summer, and we're gonna have some cooler days, so I'm grateful for that. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so. Give this video a thumbs up, and to all my oldies but goodies, thank you for coming back always. I appreciate the love. See you guys in the next clip. Alright, let's see what I think. This one probably could work. This is cute. So let's see if I find anything else. Here's another cute one, you guys. I could spray paint this one into gold or something. I don't know. I'm gonna hold on to this one too, and then decide. And I also see another one here. I think I'm gonna stick with these two for now. Showing you what I picked up in the thrift shop just now. So I couldn't decide between the 2 racks, so I went ahead and I got both. So this is the first one, and this one I paid $4.99. This is kind of like a classic. Really love it. What I think I'm gonna do is I am going to go to Michael's, get some spray paint, and I might change this into gold. So that is what I'm gonna do with this one. So this is the second one that I picked up, you guys, and this one was $5.99. So the other one was $4.99, and this is $5.99. I like this one, black with a little bit of rust. I like the idea of the 2 shells. I could probably put some scented candles or some bath rags here, and then have my magazines on the bottom. But still have not decided which one I'm going to use in the bathroom as yet, but I'll decide when I get home. And then I got some little goodies. I found this cute little purse. It's kind of like a clutch. The color is so pretty. It opens up like this. It has like a magnet strip. But this is it close up. And this I paid $4.99. I think this was really cute, so I picked this up as well. Also in my goodies bag, I'm always getting these little makeup bags in the thrift shop. And these are pretty cool. This one is by Clinique, and this was $1.99. And I picked up a whole bunch of these. So I have this one. I got this one, which I think is pretty cute. I got this one as well. And this one. So I have quite a few. And I also found this hat because I'm just in love with hats. This is a lavender hat. And it has like some palm trees on the front. I think this is pretty cute. This was $2.99. Yeah. So that is all I got in the thrift shop. I'm happy that I got what I went there for. And extra, of course. Because I can never just go into a store and just pick up what I came there for. Or I went there to get. But, so I'm done with that. I'm going to be heading to TJ Maxx or Marshall's, whichever. And then I'm heading to the spa to get my face done. So come along, guys. Hey guys, so I'm in Michael's and I'm looking some tassels for my bathroom towels. I know my best bet would have been Home Goods, but the Home Goods is not so close to where I'm at. So I've already tried Ross, Marshall's. So now I'm trying Michael's. I know I'll get it in here. Without a doubt, I know I'll get it in here. Michael have the fancy stuff. So I'm gonna have a quick bite to eat. I'm going in this Japanese hibachi restaurant. I love to have their tilapia with shrimp. It is so good. So good. So this is lunch. I ordered tilapia with shrimp, well, extra shrimp. And I have a Snapple juice going there. Guys, this is the sauce that keep me coming back here. It is super good. It's called Yum Yum sauce. I love it. Super duper pissed, you guys. I am 30 minutes late for my appointment for my facial, and they're telling me I'm late, so I can't get it done. I'm so upset. I wanted to go out later, so I wanted to get my face done. Damn. This is not cool at all. right, I guess, I don't know. I have one more place to go, and then I'm gonna go home. I might stop at the grocery store, I'm not sure, but we'll see. Catch you in the next clip. Hey guys, so I'm in Burlington, and I found these gold shoes. I think they are so pretty. I'm getting these. They are super hot. Yep. I'm getting those. So hey guys, I'm at my friend's shop and I'm just chilling right now. We're gonna be having drinks and then I'm gonna be heading home. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching my vlog, but this is where I'm going to be ending my vlog today. I'm still here hanging out with my friend. We're still having drinks. Oh my god, I think it's time to go home. I am now busted. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.